Why do you always think of the perfect comeback after the argument is over? Why do you freeze when put on the spot, only to have the brilliant answer hit you 2 hours later in the shower? You aren't slow. You aren't stupid. You are experiencing a physiological phenomenon known as the Long Acetylcholine Pathway. In an extroverted brain, the stimulus travels a short, efficient road. It goes from the sensory input directly to the speech center. It is a straight line, stimulus, reaction. But in your brain, the signal takes the scenic route. Before you speak, the signal physically travels through the hippocampus, the seat of long-term memory. It checks your entire history. Have we seen this before? What did we learn last time? Then it travels to the frontal lobe, the center of planning and strategy. It is running a complex simulation of outcomes before you even open your mouth. This physical distance causes a lag. Society calls this hesitation, but biologically, it is data processing. While the fast talker is reacting, you are synthesizing. This is why your insights are often deeper. You aren't just skimming the surface, you are cross-referencing every piece of data you have ever stored. So, stop apologizing for the pause. The pause is not a glitch. The pause is where your brilliance happens. Trust your processing speed. Welcome to SOMA.